In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find eBay seller support. Navigating the intricacies of eBay can sometimes feel daunting, especially when you're confronted with issues related to selling. But don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to reach eBay seller support whenever you need assistance. First things first, let's begin by heading over to ebay.com. Once you're there, ensure you log in to your eBay account. It's important to be logged in because it grants you access to personalized support and resources that are tailored to your specific selling account. After signing in, direct your attention to the top of the screen and look for the Help and Contact link, which you'll find easily on the homepage. Clicking on this link is a critical step as it opens the gateway to eBay's comprehensive support system. Once you've clicked on Help and Contact, look for the Selling option. This is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to spot. By selecting this option, you'll be directed to a page that focuses specifically on selling issues. It's a treasure trove of information designed to assist sellers like you in smooth navigation of any challenges you might face. On the Selling Support page, you'll find a myriad of articles and resources. Take a moment to browse through and identify any articles that best match your problem. eBay has curated these pieces to offer self-help solutions, which can be incredibly helpful if your issue is straightforward. In case the articles don't resolve your issue, don't fret. Simply click on the Contact Us option, which is also readily available on the same page. This is where you can reach out directly to eBay for more personalized help. When you click this option, be prepared to answer a few questions related to the problem you're encountering. These questions help eBay narrow down the most effective way to assist you, ensuring that your time is used efficiently. If you feel like you need real-time support, you'll have the option to chat with our automated assistant. This feature serves as a lifeline when you require a bit more interaction and guidance. The automated assistant is designed to address your concerns promptly and direct you to further resources or a representative if needed. By following these steps, you can swiftly get the eBay seller support you need, allowing you to focus more on improving your business and less on managing technical hurdles. This streamlined approach ensures that whenever you face an issue, a solution is just a few clicks away. Happy selling, and remember, you're not alone on this journey. eBay seller support is always within reach.